Knows where he is. We had to get wind of where he is. He was arrested from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport on Tuesday night. Yesterday he stayed there. He never had breakfast. He has not taken even a shower. The police has not even provided him with food. He is starving. They want to shakahola him.
Yes.
Which is not right.
The police want to shakahola Babu OWINO. Yes. Why is he not being allowed to access his advocates? Why is he not being allowed to access his family?
He has a right.
He has a right unless we have suspended the constitution.
True.
So we are here to demonstrate. And we are saying to demonstrate. If you want to interpret it to amount to maandamano and therefore you tear gas us, it's up to you. But we are here to follow up on that case. I also understand that Maina Jenga is also held up here. Maina Jenga was arrested yesterday at his father's residence from Gong. He was driven all the way in the wee hours of the night, in the ungodly hours, to Wanguru police station. What is the justification of you being removed from one jurisdiction to the other? There was a court in Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. True. Why was Babu OWINO not presented there? Yeah. What is so unique about this police station of Wanguru?
Yes.
Don't forget that this police station of Wanguru, I think in 2022 or 2021, there were individuals who were killed here in this police station.
Yes.
There were individuals who were killed. Don't forget that the families are still mourning. And that was action was executed here in Wanguru police station, and therefore we are apprehensive on the safety of the individuals being held here. That matter has never been investigated, yet the deaths occurred through police brutality. So we are here to ask, where is Babu OWINO? Why has he not been taken to court? Why? What is the reason and what are the charges that he's facing? Why has the family not been allowed to see him? Why are the advocates being prevented from seeing him? Why was Maina Jenga removed all the way from Gong to Wanguru? What is so unique? What is so unique about this police station? What is so unique about this police station? And therefore I would wish the police have not even denied it.
We have seen him.
The police have not denied. And don't you forget that they have not eaten.
So consequently, in the evening, I was given information that he is in Mwea. So we came here in the evening around maybe 9 p.m. And I was speaking to them, just trying to tell them that, I just want to know if my husband is here. Is he safe? Has he eaten? There's some medicine he was supposed to take because he was unwell. So I just wanted to know his whereabouts. And I was severely manhandled, carried off. They did not want to hear anything that we wanted to say. They basically just kicked us off, and there was a very, very heavy police presence. Just outside the gate, there were maybe 20 to 30 police officers, and inside also in the compound, there were very many police officers. They completely refused us access, but we were able to confirm that he is indeed here. So today in the morning, 7 a.m. in the morning, we were here. And so when we came and asked for him, they were asking, what are you talking about? Babu OWINO is not here, blah, blah. But we thank God for the favor, for his favor, because his suitcase, I saw his suitcase and I said that he is indeed here because that is his suitcase. So that is when they said, okay, oops. And they had to agree that he is indeed there. So I have been able to see him. But now the issue is my husband has been detained for over 24 hours. From Tuesday 11 p.m. to now is probably maybe 40 hours that he has been unlawfully detained without explanation, without reason. There's absolutely nothing that my husband did other than fight for the rights of Kenyans, and but he's being persecuted for that. So he has not been produced in court. There are no orders yet, and so that is what we are waiting for, is for my husband to be unconditionally released today. And we know, of course, that it is the government that is holding him. We have ascertained that beyond reasonable doubt. And his only sin is to want for the cost of living to be better, for the state of this economy to be improved. And apparently anybody who stands up to speak gets unlawfully imprisoned without rights. So we're just asking for him to be unconditionally released today.
So how is his condition?
He's very weak. He has not been able to eat. He has not been able to eat anything at all. So he is extremely weak, which is why we were asking for him to be released today.
Sasa hii tuko hapa tunataka kujua anapelekwa kotini ama mheshimiwa anapelekwa wapi. Kwa sababu watu na watu wenye walikuwa nao hapo tumeona magari zimeshachukua watu wameenda kotini. Sasa tunataka kujua yeye yake ni kotini anaenda ama atakalishwa hapa. That is why bado tuko hapa. Ndio tujue na tuwezi toka hapa saa hii mpaka tujue mheshimiwa anapelekwa wapi. Kama ni kotini tunaenda kotini. Kama ni hapa tutakaa tu hapa mpaka ile siku mheshimiwa atafanya nini?